Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change date and time on the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to manage the date and time or the time zone, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, scroll all the way down and then go to system. In the system, choose date and time, and over here you can enable and disable the automatic time. So if you want to set the time manually, then you can disable set time automatically and then manage the date and the time. We can also set the time zone automatically, and if you want to do that manually, then disable this option, and then over here you can select your time zone. You can choose the region and the time zone. And of course we also can change the time format. We can use local default, or you can just disable this option and then enable the 24-hour format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.